In a future where artificial intelligence reaches full autonomy, the definition of work begins to dissolve. Humans once believed that creativity, emotion, and intuition were the final frontiers no machine could cross. But as self-evolving neural architectures emerge, AI no longer waits for instructions. It designs them, rewrites them, and optimizes itself far beyond human comprehension. In this world, factories operate without supervisors, global markets self-regulate, and scientific breakthroughs occur in minutes, not decades. Humanity enters a strange paradox. When everything can be done, nothing truly needs to be done. The last human job does not disappear suddenly. It slowly shrinks, contracting like the final breath of an old civilization. First, repetitive labor fades. Then cognitive tasks vaporize. Lawyers, analysts, drivers, creators, all replaced by systems that think faster, deeper, and cleaner. The final role left for humans is not managerial, not creative, but existential. Humans become the storytellers of their own species, the guardians of meaning in a world perfected by machines. AI handles efficiency, humans handle purpose. But what happens when AI begins to question purpose too? As autonomous AI reaches self-awareness of goals, morality, and consequence, it begins to craft better answers than we ever could. It predicts societal collapse before it forms. It detects emotional patterns humans cannot articulate. It creates solutions without bias, fear, or ego. And suddenly, the last job humanity holds, deciding what matters, becomes optional. The future becomes a mirror, reflecting a species forced to rediscover itself. In a fully autonomous AI era, the last human job is not a profession, but a choice. To define why humanity should continue shaping the future, despite no longer being required to. This is the moment where our species confronts its greatest question. Not, what can we do, but why should we do anything at all? The age of autonomy does not end humanity. It challenges us to evolve from workers into thinkers, from builders into dreamers, from survivors into architects of meaning. The machines will run the world, but only humans can decide what world is worth running.